Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to go grocery shopping, but before we do that, I'm going to show you my routine of what I do on the day I go grocery shopping. So I just kind of clean out the fridge, take care of any leftovers that were in there, wipe everything down, and just make sure that your dishwasher is emptied, make sure that your sink is cleared out so that way when you get home and then add all of your groceries to the mix, you're not just shoving everything in your fridge and then it becomes organized and you have to take everything out and then stuff gets shoved in the back that's gross and moldy. I had a half a cucumber that was stuck in the back of the drawer. And I didn't know what was in there in the veggie drawer, and it was slimy and gross, so I ended up having to take the drawer out and wash it. But the fridge itself was cleaned, so I just kind of tidied everything and made sure that everything was new and not expired.
You, you should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place.
So now that the fridge is all cleaned out and wiped down and organized, and any yucky food that needed to be thrown away is taken care of, we're just going to empty the dishwasher. And I do this because sometimes when I get home from the grocery store, I like to take all of the produce, like the strawberries, raspberries, things like that, put them into different containers, put them in, soak them, or put them into mason jars, things like that. And then your sink just ends up being cluttered and a mess, and you just kind of start all over again with a messy kitchen. So I find that if my dishwasher is empty, I can just open my dishwasher, put everything in there, and it just eliminates a mess. So we will do that, and then we're just going to wipe down the counters and then head to the grocery store.
I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
kitchen is clean. All of our counters are cleared off and ready to go except for the dragon. And we have dancing children that are ready to go to the grocery store. So we also have the fridge that's all cleaned out, and we have plenty of space to put all of our groceries. So everything, we checked all the expiration dates and everything, and just wiped down a couple of the shelves and just rearranged everything and made sure we knew what we already had before we grocery shopped. This is everything we got. We just got a small grocery haul. We mainly needed milk, so everything else is just kind of a fill-in. We got some salad dressing. This one is my favorite. It's very hard to find, so I got 2 of those, except this one looks funny. Doesn't look the same as that one. That's so weird. Look at the difference between the 2. That's what it's supposed to look like. That's what that one looks like, so we'll have to give that one back. But moving on, we got some Caesar dressing to make some Caesar salad. We got some deli cheese, some lemonade, a gallon of milk, a gallon of chocolate milk, 2 whipped creams, a chocolate ice cream. They didn't have the one that I ordered, so they subbed it for this, which is fine. So. And then we got a rotisserie chicken, some popcorn, some sprinkles for our ice cream, and then just a fill-in for veggies. We just got a pack of romaine lettuce, cauliflower, and 2 bags of mini red potatoes. This is, good job. This is our meal plan for the week. Monday we're gonna have grilled chicken with veggies. We're gonna have tacos on Tuesday. Wednesday we have steaks in the freezer, so we're gonna cook those up. Thursday we're gonna have pasta and meatballs. Friday we're gonna have grilled chicken salad since I have all that lettuce. Saturday we're gonna do homemade pizza with lettuce, and then with salads. And also we're going to do burgers and hot dogs on Sunday.